Today is the three basic formula in Excel. The first one is average, sum, and sum if. So how to calculate the average of these number? So we can write the formula equal average bracket, and the highlight the column and bracket close and enter. So the average is this. We can also find the average like this: equal average and bracket. We can write some number like 10 comma 20 and bracket close and enter. So the average is 15. The next one is sum. How to find the sum of these number? So the formula is equal, write sum bracket and highlight the column and bracket close and enter. So the sum is this. We can also the sum calculate with equal, write sum bracket and write some number like randomly I have write 50 comma and 30 and equal, so and enter. So this the sum is 80. The third one is sum f formula. So how to find the number of physics, so English, maths, Urdu, etc. So we can apply the formula, right? Equal sum f bracket and highlight the column book type, and then comma, then the select this cell, comma, and highlight the number and bracket the close and enter. Here we can type physics and enter. Here we can see the sum of number of physics is 119. We can try the other one also like English, enter. So the total of English is 182 number. So we can prove this like this is correct number or not. So we can write sum equal sum bracket, select the English number like 50 comma, the other one is this and bracket close and enter. We can get 182 and here also 182. So this is the correct formula.